This next match will be set for one fall. Making his way in the ring first, he is the Rapid Wolf, Howler. AEW International Regional Champion, Austin James.
Look, cut the music. I got unfortunate news. Your scheduled opponent was the leader, my leader, Rowan Havoc. But he couldn't make it tonight. But we got something special for you. It's the return of the egotistical Colin Graves!
Could what he just said be true? It is! Look at that! Colin Graves is back, baby!
We're back. Look who's back, baby! I told you it wasn't gonna be long. Now we're back to claim what was never really took from us.
Gave that old nigga ozone with a sweet taste, made his bone make the knees shake, make the police faint, make a nun come, make a cremate, move downtown, cop a sweet space, living life like we want a sweet space, what? We headed to hell, but
let me hear you guys,
Austin James being at his side. Colin Graves, one-on-one action against Howler here. This is going to be very interesting to see how this plays out.
Thank you, guys.
Let's go back, Colin. Let's go. Welcome back, baby. Show that fake werewolf what wrestling really is.
Wow, wow.
I was going to say the referee's going to make sure everybody's checked out, and it seemed like make sure the referee was checked as well.
Right.
And we're going to get this match underway
Thank you, AJ.
as the bell has been rung. Colin Graves and Howler now getting into tie-up. Taking the lead here. Getting into an arm wrench here. Got a nice wrist lock going here. Wrenching that arm.
Let's go.
Now going for a reversal. Howler getting himself in control here. Now into the hammer lock. Now grabbing. Oh, and he's biting. He's biting him. Howler was biting. How? What? Why? Why was he? Why was he biting Colin Graves? Well, then again, he is a wolfman, so this is going to be very interesting to see how this plays out, using literally everything in his arsenal, but biting is not really legal in this type of matchup. Colin Graves taking the head here. Now got himself into the headlock takeover.
Say, Howler.
Howler making sure to keep one of his shoulders up off of the mat to avoid any type of pin attempt. Oh, now go for a surprise roll-up here. Oh. That could have been it right then and there.
Kicks out, but still wobbly. Good work by Colin.
So they're bringing Howler up. Ooh! Couple shots. And a third to Howler. Getting him back up now. About to be sent. Now reversal. Colin getting sent to the corner here. Howler coming in with a big splash into the corner.
And splash into the corner.
Now looking for a bulldog. Slamming that head into the canvas. Now looking for the pin. Leg hooked. But fortunately, Colin Graves got his shoulder up. Colin Graves cowering into the corner here. Howler taking advantage with a couple stomps to the chest. Now really attacking him into the corner here. Now giving some attention to the referee. Getting a little frustrated with this call. So obviously not trying to play by the rules here. Now bringing Colin back up. Oh, and a chop across the chest from Howler. Oh, now he's biting him again. A signature move from Howler, but still illegal. Oh, he's howling up. Now going for another splash.
There you go.
Seems like Colin reversed. Looking for a suplex, slamming him down. Pulling him away from the ropes. Look like he's going for the pin. Got the leg hooked. Howler managed to get his shoulder up. Now he's biting him once again, for the third time. The referee should just call this right now. All of this biting is ridiculous. And he's making sure lay down the law.
At this point, Colin,
bad dog.
needs a shot collar.
Bad dog.
AJ calling him a bad dog from the side here. Now go for another suplex. This time on Colin Graves now. Going for the rope. And a leg drop. That's a pin right there, referee.
Colin kicks out at 2 again.
Only a 2 count.
Come on, Kyle.
AJ trying to cheer on his tag team partner, Colin Graves, getting up against the ropes, now being sent off, looking for a clothesline, setting him down. Setting him up real quick. Please don't tell me he's about to bite him again. No, he's... yeah, he's biting him. Wait, maybe not. Maybe just got him into a headlock. Please do not bite him again. We don't need any. We don't need to have to pay for rabies shots.
He's going out. He's going out. He's going out, ladies and gentlemen. Colin.
Wait a second. Colin seems
God,
to
tell
be
me it's not
out
over.
cold.
Tell me it's not over. That's 2.
Colin
Wake
seems
up,
to be
Colin.
out cold, now trying
Wake
to
up.
check for a third time.
There
Oh,
it
wait,
is.
Colin.
There it is. He's coming
Colin
back.
regaining consciousness here in this chokehold,
Get up.
trying to work
Get
his
up,
way
Colin.
out of this.
Don't let this filthy, disease-ridden dog beat you. You're
Elbow
better
to the
than that.
midsection and another one trying to get
3
out
strikes
of
to the
this.
gut.
Oh, and a big insecurity kick.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
And now both of them
Downright
are
beautiful.
down
One,
as the race starts to count.
Oh, hi. How you doing, buddy? I'm doing great. You know, I had to put you down in the first opening match, but
4,
Howler was stirring, now Colin Graves finally stirring.
6,
Referee count to 6.
7,
Howler is
Is the
back up
next step?
on his knees,
What-
now back all the way up, picking up Colin Graves.
What can these guys do to put each other away?
Big shot now, look at them
Colin,
trading blows. Big shot to Howler. Staring at AJ. Oh, and another big shot to Colin. Now trading shots. Here we go. Now we're getting ourselves into a slugfest here.
Take it one and give it one.
Colin Graves trying to get the advantage here with a bunch of multiple shots here. Setting him up down a reversal from Howler. Missing the clothesline. Oh, and a big flying elbow to Howler. Pulling him away from the ropes. Now hooking the leg. Looking for the pin here. And a kick out.
There it is.
2 count.
I got butt Jack.
There it is. Howler somehow kicks
Come
out.
on, Kong.
Howler somehow kicks
Whoop it.
out.
What does Colin have to do
How are you doing?
to try to put
I'm
Howler
doing
away?
tremendous, you know.
Very nice.
Now getting him up into the corner.
You see this amazing match. that Jailbreak
Whipping him out of the corner into the other.
Let's put it on here.
Sound like he's running in. Oh,
Oh, yeah.
crossbody over the top rope. And a kick to the back of the head.
And original ego move.
Colin going back in now. Looking
go,
for
look.
the pin,
Now
rolling
that's
him
it.
onto his back.
Now
Now
it
got
is
the pin.
1, 2.
Basic pin.
Come on.
Somehow.
Merely
One
just
bone,
putting
two
his
bones.
body weight on top of Howler, but
The
did
werewolf.
not grab a leg. Didn't grab an arm.
Howler kicks out.
Howler managed to kick out. Uh-oh. Howler is getting mad.
Isn't big.
Oh! Kick to the midsection.
He's got Collar in the hold. He's got Collar in the hold. He's setting him up.
Oh, and a big DDT slamming his head down into the canvas. That has got to be it. Now Howler going into the cover, hooking the leg. 2, and wait a
Collar
second.
kicks out at 2.5.
He got his shoulder up there. Referee is calling it. Referee got his shoulder
Oh
up.
my God.
1, 2.
Another big Collar
And
kicks
another
out
kick
again.
out. He tried to go for the pin once
Collar
again.
with another collar, but couldn't pull it off.
Let's see what we're going to see here. What will each of these people try to do here? Looks like he's going for a... Oh, wait. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Thought he was going for a suplex. Oh, wait. Colin Graves. Colin Graves getting out of this. Kicks to the legs. And now it looks like...
Hits the ropes.
Oh!
Oh my God. And a
Flying knee to the back of the head. That has got to be it.
collar with the cover.
And that's it.
There it is.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner of this match, Colin
It's over.
Graves.
It's over. Colin freaking Graves. It's the win.
Never in your wildest dreams, never in your wildest
go.
dreams, in your wildest. You can hear the loudest screams coming from inside the screen. Ooh, wild bitch, tell me what I gotta do to be that guy. Said the price go down, she ever fuck a black guy, or do anal, or do a gangbang.
Ego
It's kinda crazy,
returns.
that's all considered the same thing. Well, I guess a lot of niggas do gangbang, and if we run crazy, y'all in the same gang.
Another
Runaway
win.
slaves all on the
For
chain
Colin
gang.
Graves.
Bang, bang, bang,
Another
bang,
win.
I got something I want to say real quick. EBW, this is my first match back in over a year. Last year I suffered a concussion that kept me out of wrestling for about 6 months. And on top of some personal stuff that was going on. But I'm happy to say that I am now fully medically cleared to return. I'm back full time. And I just want to send a message out to a certain individual. Robert Pearson, you're talented, you have a lot of potential, and I respect you. Everybody knows me and AJ well in the tag team division, but singles division, he's doing pretty good. I think Colin wants a little piece of that pie too. So I know it's gonna be a lot of work, but I'm gonna work hard. I'm gonna try to get to the top of that division. And Robert Pearson, I would love to see you one-on-one in this ring one day for that Pac-14 championship. And I hope sooner or later we can make it happen.
Let's go.
So, thank you EBW. Appreciate you guys welcoming me back. Let the show go on.
Billy mixed in the ground. But regardless, Colin Graves picks up the win. An eagle return for E.B. Tucker.
One day I'm